So, yun ang table namin guys for the ramen. Actually, the time is 10:15. They usually close at 9:30 p.m. and na-late kami guys. But still, we would like to thank them for, still accommodating us. We drove all the way from 1 hour somewhere in the east. But it's worth it. It's very out of this place. Kumbaga, it's a piece of Japan sa Magalang. A piece of Japan in Magalang. This is what is inside dito sa mga villa ni Ikigai. So siguro this is maximum up until 4 para sa mga adults. The intention actually is to have parang escape from the technology, escape from the stress, escape from the usual. Kasi it's very minimalist.
Basically, yung idea is to actually give people a place to relax and chill away from the chaos sa city.
Nag-vacation kami sa Japan. Nung pag-uwi namin, we kinda miss yung Japan feels. Naisip namin, why don't we build our own para, mas ma-share yung ano yung na-experience namin sa Japan.
Each villa has 1 bed for 2, tapos may sarili siyang CR din, and it's air conditioned. Ang booking namin is 1 hanggang 4 packs per villa kasi maliit lang din naman yung villa namin. So, ang suggestion namin is wag nila i-crowd. In the future, gusto namin mag-add ng kimono rental. Mag-accept lang kami ng booking via our Facebook page and yung official Instagram page. Kasi nagsisend kami ng reservation form para din ma-confirm yung booking kasi nga save din namin sa calendar namin yung mga booking. Sa Facebook page, meron na din doon mga parang quick guides kung ano yung rates, location.
Alright.
Pagka nag-message ka, meron na kaagad bibigay na information sa'yo yung messenger. Pwede kasi i-book siya ng isang villa lang or 2 villa depending on how many people yung magsistay. So, yung 1 villa namin, ang weekend rate is 10,000 and then yung 2 villas, 14,000 yung weekend rate. Tapos meron kaming ina-add din pala na 2 complimentary breakfast meal for each villa. So, kapag isang
Japanese
villa,
meal.
no,
Filipino
ito
na.
Filipino na.
Okay.
Para
Silog. Mga
comfortable.
silog.
Yes,
Silog.
kasi para baka kasi nasa
Comfort food.
baka ayaw na nila.
Sawa na sila sa
Japanese check-in time is 2 p.m. and then mag-check out sila ng 11 a.m. the next day. So, usually yung dinner, dito na sila nagdi-dinner sa ramen bar.
Black garlic. This is tonkatsu. Miso. Shoyu ramen. Tantan men.
And Wabi Sabi Red Ramen.
Oh, okay, this is the signature Wabi Sabi. Alright, bala yun na yung takman nyo po ito. Soksi Shanok. Soksi Shanok. Alright, so yun guys. We have arrived. Finally, right after like an hour drive from Lubao to Magalang. Nakarating po kami dito. It will be worth it. Look at our table. So we have ramen. We also have rice meals. We also have mga rolls, no? Maki rolls. This is life. Samahan niyo kami, guys. Alright, so let me distribute the bowl. Thank you, bro. Alright. Ito yung kanilang twisted maki rolls. So it has a twist, kaya twisted siya from the regular, California maki. Wabi Sabi signature ramen. This is their version of gyoza. So earlier nakita natin, niluluto nila to. One of their rice meals naman. Look at this one.
Ikigai means it's the Japanese word for a reason to live. Meaning it's parang, have you found your ikigai?
Ikigai, yeah.
Meaning it's your purpose in life.
How about the Wabi Sabi?
So, yung Wabi Sabi Ramen bar naman, clarification lang, hindi siya derived from the word wasabi,
wasabi.
which is the Japanese spice. So, yung Wabi Sabi naman, the Japanese way of appreciating daw the beauty that is imperfect, incomplete, and impermanent.
Enlightenment. Thank you.
Place is napaka-peaceful. Kung kayo yung family na gusto nyo mag-bonding talaga, this is the place na hinahanap nyo. No internet, just
No
nature, No Netflix,
No YouTube.
no YouTube.
Not unless you have your own.
Yes.
The place is cozy.
Uh-huh.
Talagang mag-relax ka.
Uh-huh.
After a long week na
Work.
work, and then weekends spend making the best.
Fudge. How about the food?
Food
Yan,
naman.
syempre, isa pa sa pinupuntahan to, no?
Yes.
Actually, yes.
Food naman, ako recommended ko yung mga signature ramen nila. Yung
Yeah, yung mga signature,
Wa-
no?
ah,
Yeah, agree.
Wabi Sabi Ramen and yung kanilang Wabi Sabi Maki
Mhm.
and yung kanilang mango dip.
Okay. You bro, nanong mig-enjoy ka?
Ngan,
Aha.
the best. Naman langan. Tikman ko nga, diyang mig nanita mig dinner na ako.
Tingnan mo mga pamurin eh.
Mengan ko pa rin.
With my brothers. Ayun, yun, brothers. So, thank you so much for watching, guys. If you like the food you saw in this video, if you like the place you saw in this video, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and we hope to see you here. Tell us your experience. Thanks so much for watching.
Peace out!
Bye. Peace.